Today we will learn how to operate the Canon SL3. Start by removing the lens cap cover, then switching the lens to autofocus. Open up the flip LCD screen. Next you will need to open up the battery compartment and insert a charged battery, as well as a micro SD card. To start recording, switch to video setting. You will also need to ensure that you are on the auto setting by spinning the wheel. To record external audio, place the microphone on top the Canon shoe mount and screw it tightly. Then place the 3.5mm jack into the side line in. To monitor your audio levels, click the menu button and navigate to shooting settings. Before recording, make sure that you have formatted your SD card to clear up space. For audio testing, snap or clap in front of the external microphone to test levels. When you are ready, you may hit recording to capture your scene. To adjust focus, simply tap the screen and your camera will adjust automatically. To play back a clip, press the blue arrow icon in the bottom right. You are now ready to use the Canon Rebel SL3.